Many years ago, there was a great sorceress. He always wear the magic hat. Mickey, the sorceress, had played Mickey. Mickey also need to sweep the floor. Mickey also need to use the axe to chop the wood. Mickey take the bucket to Mickey take the bucket and take the water to the well. Mickey ran and ran until Mickey is very tired. Mickey think about if I have the sorcerer's magic hat, maybe I don't need to work. One day, the sorceress went out. He don't wear the magic hat. Mickey put on the sorcerer's magic hat on the head, on Mickey's head. Mickey pointed to the bomb. The bomb started to work. Mickey fell asleep where the bomb was working. Suddenly, something woke Mickey up. There was a big splash of water. Mickey saw all the water is so deep and it's so everywhere. It's very everywhere. Mickey used the axe to chop the wood into small pieces of wood. All the pieces of wood left on the floor. They started to move. All the pieces of wood go to fists, arms. They go so many bombs. All the bombs kept on pouring water onto the floor. Mickey didn't know how to make the bombs stop. The sorcerer come back to the home. The sorcerer says the magic words. Ba. All the water and all the bombs disappear. Finally, Mickey went back to where poor Mickey. Bye-bye.